If I like, I will just come and promote this discount. I don't want to give you this discount. Let me just give you a general discount of 500. Made it in no complaint. So how did your customer want to make payment? Is it cash? If it's cash, just cash. If it's bank, just bank. That's transfer or card or something. If it's split, split. So my customer gave me 20,000 naira cash from this 27, and then for bank he said he sent me 7,000 for my bank. So this is it. So as you click checkout, it will just record your sales and give you access to print your receipts. So let's continue. So this is it. I told you I don't want to like create a source for them. So let me just go back. So that's for our sales. Let's go to sales history. So this is sales history. So today they made a total revenue of 62,000 and a total transaction of 17,000 and an average order. If you divided 62 by this 17 to give you this 3,647. So you can export your data. This is filtered by date range. So this is search. You can search via, like, let's just search via this transaction ID. You see, it will just return it only. You can search via transaction ID, you can search by customer, you can search by date. So this is branch. You can filter by branch. Can you see? It will just load it by branch for you. Let's see all branch. So this is okay. Okay, this category is not using the category you wanted. So this is it. So this is where you see yourselves. This is transaction ID, this is the date, this is customer like and medicine. So if you didn't add a customer like this one, can you see we have a customer AAK Garo like Sabor Ungwa served by Gali Abubakar na like Gali Garo Abubakar with Sabor Ungwa. So you can see like it's add customer name. If you didn't add customer name, then it will bring just an item name for you. And you can see the number of items. This is one item, this is two items, this is 17 items. So this is what the method of payment. Like this one you see is discount. Like the business owner gave a discount for what, for this customer, a discount of 400, and you can see the payment method is cash mostly. The status is completed. So this one, they have 17 items. Let me open it for you. Let's view details. Let's see the transaction. So this is the transaction. You can see this is the business name, Gidan Magani Hanifa Medicine Store, Sabor Unga, blah blah blah. Their address, their phone number, their email. This is the customer that served this. The staff that served this customer. So this is it. Can you see the customer name AAK Garu Sabor Ungwa? This is what the receipt number. This is the dates and time that it was made, right? So this is the items. Can you see the items? Like 17 items. Bam! You can see the items, right? This is the items. This is the quantity. This is the unit. You can see this one. The unit is 500 times 5. That's 25. This is 500 times 5. This is 400 times 4. 16. Like, we have automatic calculator. You don't need any calculator again in your shop. Bam, say bye bye to calculator. And as you can see, this is the total and what it is what paid via cash. So let's try printing. So you can print it on a thermal printer that will print it for you, something like a receipt. Can you see? It will print it for you on something like a receipt paper, and then you can save as PDF and say, let me just save as PDF and send you the receipt to bam. You just click on save, you save it as PDF. You save it as PDF. For example, can you see I'm on my computer? I'm just saving as PDF. So what this is the sales details. This is where you see much details about your sales. So under your sales, we have two things more. We have edits. If there was an error during this transaction, during this sales, you can edit it. If you just click on edit, it will bring you back here and it will bring the items and everything. So you can you can come and edit anything. Did you forgot to add something or anything or anything, the quantity or anything, you can edit it. So that's it. And then there's one thing, there's reverse. You can reverse yourself. Like this cell, the customer came back. I'm not to buy Codolino. Sorry. Like, can I get my refund and take your medicine? You just have this delete. If you just delete this transaction, it will reverse everything. Like, it will remove the amount and the profit made from your revenue and profit, and it will take that one pieces, it will take it back to the inventory. So when you click on delete, it's reverse. It will just reverse the transaction. So this is what we have in sales. So let's go to the Oga Kwata Kwata. Let's go to the inventory. So this is our inventory. But this is our items. But before seeing our items, let's look at the category. So this is our business category. Since we are pharmacy, we have capsule, we have creams, we have drops, injection, personal care, supplement, suspension, syrups, tablet. So we have all of this, right? So you can add a category For your business, if you're a provision stuff, you can add groceries, you can add soft drinks. If you sell soft drinks, you can add soft drinks category, you can add soaps, detergent category, everything. So that like you can be able to manage your stocks based on what? Based on those their categories. So you can edit, you can see, you can add, edit, and what you can delete category. Bam, category will delete. So this is for the category. Let's go for the items. This is our items. So this is where we add our items. But I'll explain this more when I'll explain this more later. Let's look at our items. So this is our items. We can search. Let's search for just it. You can see like we have what just 200 mil, just 100 mil, just fizz natural acid and what neurogestic cream. Can you see? Like it's what everything comes up, right? So let me just minus. So this is what category you can what search based on category. Can you see? We are searching based on tablet. So this is tablet. So let's remove it. Let's get all categories. So let's see. So you can see our like the pharmacy items, the medicine. You can see we have many packages as they come. You can see we have carton, we have roll, we have box, we have packet, and we have what? We have the last one pieces. I know most of you business owner will relate. How can I manage my items are usually come in carton and in roll and in pieces, So like we have everything. I was a business owner. I know how everything works. That's why we build the system to perfectly fit what you need. So can you see like this medicine, this paracetamol has a carton. You can see 100 pieces per carton. This is one carton. We have one carton. We have the buying price. This B means buying price of 25,000 and we are going to sell it 27,000. That's what the pharmacy sell it to. Tom. And what the medicine comes in roll. It has 10 rolls and 10 pieces per roll. So the buying price per roll is 25, while the selling price per roll is what? 28. You can see, but it didn't come in box, it didn't come in packet, but it could come in pieces. That's 100 pieces. Buying price of 215 naira and selling price of what? 350 naira. We have 100 pieces in stock. You can see medicine that comes in box. Like this is box. This medicine comes in box. And what we have the quantity. We have the quantity in the pharmacy 10 boxes. That's 10 packet per box. So we buy it 11,000 and we're going to sell it 13,000. So this is the pack. So we have 50 pack and we have 2 pieces per pack. Can you see? This is the buying price. This is the selling price, and what this is the pieces. Right? So we have everything. Everything is automated for you. So this one that you are seeing in red, it shows low stock. If your pieces are less than 20, it will be showing you it will be showing you that they are low. They are what? Low in stock. So this is it. And this is what the branch where those medicines belongs to. So now what we have view details. You can view details, you can adjust stock, you can edit. So I want to explain the add and edit here for you using this edit button. So you can see we have these tabs, baby boom, the product name, tablet. So let's select it's a tablet. Let's update it for them. It's a tablet. So this is the branch. You select the branch cyber on Wasu. If it have a weight like 30 gram, 14 gram, 50 cl, 30 mg, you add it here. So this is the game changer. This is the packaging. This is the packaging, like the packaging type. So this one comes in box and packet and pieces. That's 3. So you can see we have pieces in box, right? We have pieces in box as what? As 10. We have 10 pieces in we have 10 pieces in one box. As if I don't want to change anything for them. So we have pieces in packet. We have 2 pieces in one packet. Can you see? So this is the quantity they have. They have 10 boxes, but they have 0 packets, and this is the buying price for pieces. This is selling price for pieces. This is the buying price per packet. This is selling price per packet. This is the buying price per box. This is selling price per box, and now this is total. If you can see the total, we have 100 pieces, we have 10 boxes, we have what? 50 packets, and we have 100 pieces. So this is how everything is. If your items comes in carton, you click on carton. If it comes in roll, you click on roll. If it box, packet, or pieces. So this is all about what? The inventory. So this is mostly all about the inventory. So next, let's go. Next is suppliers. So this business haven't saved anything in the suppliers, but you can click on this to add your supplier, like the company name, the supplier category, the company address, and then the primary contact person name, his phone number, and his email. So this is where you add supplier and you manage your suppliers here. So next is supplier request. So this is where you manage supplier request. This business has nothing in supplier request. So